vlog. Y'all, I'm just not getting off of work. I'm just now getting off of work, and I'm about to take my son to physical therapy. So I've been having a taste for a salad. I'm still working out, still walking, still trying to eat healthy, but this past few days I wasn't eating all that healthy. So I'm getting ready to take him to physical therapy, and I am going to the grocery store to get some salad items to make. And I'm going to bring y'all along with me today. So we're going to do a little grocery shopping. We're going to do a little bit of grocery shopping for some salad stuff to make some salad with. And I need to, what else I need to do? I think that's all I need to do, but yeah. So I'm going to bring you guys along with me. So let's go. Remember to put your mask on and don't take your mask off. Where's your hand sanitizer at? The one for your pocket. Here. So I broke 2 nails, y'all. 2 nails, and me walking around with broke nails is like a pet peeve of mine. I can't stand walking around with broke nails. That's just like walking around outside the house in a bonnet. Like, that is like a pet peeve of mine. I cannot stand being outside the house with bonnets on, just like I can't stand walking around with broke nails. So I had 2 nails to break over the weekend, and I just could not take it. I could not take it. So I wasn't able to get in with my normal nail tech. So I just had to settle for going to get my nails done to the Asians. So I just got a quick fill in, and I got this. I think this is orange sickle. I think that's what the color of it is. It's really, really bright and vibrant, y'all, as y'all see. So I did orange, and I also got them cut down. Now they're still long, but they're not as long as they were before, because y'all, let me tell you. So the other day when I had my nails pink, before this set right here, before this filling right here, y'all saw, well, if you've been keeping up with my vlogs, you guys already know what color my nails be. But anyway, so I went to the ATM machine the other day, you guys. I think this was like last Wednesday or one day last week, whatever, to get some cash out the machine. And y'all, how about, you know, when you put your debit card in the machine, the machine holds your card, and it doesn't release the money to you until you pull your card back out the machine. So I had the hardest time trying to get my debit card out the machine, y'all. When I say I was holding up, y'all, when I say I held up that line, I held up the line. I know about good 3 or 4 cars was just sitting behind me trying to wait to get to this ATM machine. But I was signaling them, go ahead, the machine ain't working. The machine ain't working. The machine took my money. It took my, I'm out there like literally trying to signal these people like, y'all go ahead, because I ain't moving until either I get my debit card or I get my cash out this machine. So luckily it was a good smart machine to where it realized that my card wasn't removed, because I could not get the card out because my nails were so long, I wasn't able to grip the card out the machine, y'all. Honey, when I say I was like so scared, I'm like, oh my God, if I pull off and this money come out of this machine, this is going to be like $180 and I'm about to get it somebody else. And I don't trust that. So luckily the machine realized that the car was still stuck in there, so it reversed everything back. Y'all, when I say that was like a scare, oh, that was a scare. I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and get my nails trimmed just a little bit. So I got them trimmed down, and I just got this orange color, which I think it looks really, really pretty on my dark skin tone. Very cute, bright orange, festive, y'all know. So this is, I think this is called orange sickle or whatever. It's a gel color, and I really, really like this color. So what I ended up doing was, because I still needed the cash to I think I needed the cash to pay for my hair to get done or whatever. That's what I needed the cash for. So I finally was able to get the card out the machine after a good 30 minutes of sitting there sweating, hatting and panting. And I was nervous. I was trembling trying to get that card out. So I finally got the card out. And by the time I got the card out, the machine had already reversed the transaction back. So it didn't spit out any money. So what I did was went home, got me a pair of tweezers, and y'all, I went to another ATM machine, put the card in the machine, used the tweezers to put the card in, and used the tweezers to get the card out, and got my money that way. And I was like, you know what, it's time for me to go ahead and get a trim, a nice trim on these nails, okay? Because ain't nothing gonna come between me and my nails, but ain't gonna nothing come between me and my money either, okay? Y'all, when I said that was like a very that was an experience. So I cut them babies down, honey, where they're a little bit more functional. And never no more. I think this is about the longest I'll go. So I made it to Walmart, y'all, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me to do my little shopping at Walmart. So let's go. Y'all, when did Walmart start playing music in the parking lot? Like, their music is thumping out here. Like, I'm walking inside Walmart, and their speakers are like really, really loud. Like, when they started that? I think they know that we be vlogging, and they're trying to get us. They trying to get us, y'all. They trying to get us. I know that's what they doing. Y'all. They trying to get us. Because they ain't been playing music. They ain't been playing no music. So I made it back home, and I am about to start my salad. And I got some shrimp right here that I bought that's already been peeled and deveined. I just need to take the tail off of these. So I'm about to take the tail off of these. And I think I'm gonna add some bacon to my salad just to give like a little nice flavor, add some extra flavor to it or whatever. So I'm about to peel the shrimp. Not peel the shrimp. I'm about to take the tails off right now. Garden croutons. So y'all can't see me. So I'm about to add the olive. I'm going to add the Olive Garden croutons. This is the signature recipe, garlic and romaine. Oh, Romano, excuse me, not romaine, garlic and Romano. And I'm doing this Olive Garden Parmesan Ranch. They say there's something new I found from Walmart. So if y'all are in search for a new type of dressing, you like ranch, Olive Garden got a new Parmesan Ranch, y'all. So we're gonna try it out. So I already got my bacon, my eggs, onions in here. So now I'm going to add my croutons. What you doing? Oh, thank you. Add my croutons in there. A little vinegar in here. It's a original submarine dressing, but it's got, I don't know what be in here. But it's like an oil and vinegar, something like you would get like from like the Substation Plus or whatever. But I like it because it got like a bunch of herbs and spices in it, and it got like oil and the vinegar, I believe. So I like to add this to my salad. Of course, I'm not gonna eat this big old bowl of salad. This is what we're having for dinner tonight, so this will be for my family as well, just to let y'all know that. And I'm gonna add my shrimp. So shrimp is so pretty. Y'all see that? Shrimp is so pretty. And I'm gonna just mix everything around real nice and pretty. Can y'all see? And I'm not gonna add dressing to this salad because my husband likes a vinaigrette type of dressing, and the kids like another type of dressing. And I left my eggs in there big because some of us eat eggs in the house and some of us don't. So the ones who don't eat the eggs, we can pick them out, and the ones who like eggs, they can just eat the eggs. So yeah, this is my rendition of the Olive Garden salad, and I'm about to drench it with some, drench my own plate, my own salad with some ranch dressing from the Olive Garden. And I'm going to drink me some water. Oh, I meant to show y'all real quick. So these were, I found these at Walmart. These are the Nestle Splash Waters. I don't think I've ever tried this, but it says acai grape. Saw these, so I'm gonna probably drink a bottle of these with my salad. And I also purchased these rice cakes. I love rice cakes. A lot of people can't really stand rice cakes, but this is another healthy snack. So I've been binging, or I've been ODing on rice cakes. They're pretty good. I like the caramel flavor, and they're very dry, but it's 5 grams, no artificial flavors, and it's whole grain. So it's 5 grams per cake, and I could probably eat like 2 or 3 of these at a time. But I love these rice cakes, so I'm gonna eat me some salad, drink me some water, and then for my late night snack, I'm gonna do these rice cakes. So hope you guys have enjoyed, and I'll see you tomorrow with another video. Bye, y'all. Oh, make sure you keep looking good. Make sure you keep smelling good. I'll see y'all later. Bye.
Are we lost? Are we not?